Today we're checking out the lag time on my Aqara doorbells, and I'm going to reset them and see if they do better. So if you've seen any of my other videos, when I switched smart doorbells, one of the reasons was the slowness of detection and notifications that I was getting. And initially I improved some with my Aqara doorbells, but over time they've gotten slower and slower. So today I'm going to do a few tests, write down the times, and then we're going to reset them and see how they do after they're reset. So I did these tests at immediate range where I just stepped out of my house onto the porch right in front of the camera and stopped my watch as soon as I got the notification buzz and signal on my phone. And I'll admit this again later when I'm done, but I think there was probably a little bit of lag time between me getting started and stopping my watch and the reality of when the notification came, because I'm not that quick. But so with the first test, I was getting 15, 16 seconds, and then it seemed like they got a little bit better, down to 13 some. Maybe I was just improving, but my results came up with an average of about 15 and a half seconds, and that's for each of my two doorbells. One is wired and one is running on battery. So I went and removed both of these. I removed them in both the Aqara app and in the HomeKit, the Apple HomeKit app. So I reset my doorbells, and now we're going to see if they're any faster. So I removed them both from the Aqara app and my HomeKit app, and then I held down the reset button here for 10 seconds until it spoke to me. And then we reinstalled each of them separately, and they connected easily and also showed up in HomeKit. So we'll see if they're any faster. I did have one little glitch in that I did not reestablish getting notifications through Apple HomeKit. And so my initial time was, I wasn't going to get a notification at all. So it was going to be like 40 seconds. So, but when I got it set back up, then my times were pretty small here, as you'll see, 3 seconds and less on a lot of them for the connected doorbell. For the battery operated doorbell, it was a little bit slower, 4.8 something, but each of them improved drastically. So a very, very good improvement in terms of the numbers. So if I was averaging 15 and a half before, and now I'm averaging 3, so that's pretty good, close to 75% increase, right? So I'll just be honest, these actually surprised me. I knew that this was a possibility. I'd seen some other videos, but the numbers actually shocked me that it improved that much, and I'm pretty happy with the latency now. So when you look at these numbers, it's probably even faster than this, because I have trouble stepping out the door and stopping my stopwatch in under 3 seconds. So it was almost instantaneous, really, as soon as I was in front of the camera, especially on the wired doorbell. On the side door that is a battery, it's just a tick slower, but still the times are probably a second faster than I'm indicating with my stopwatch. So as I've said in my other videos, I think that this is an industry-wide problem with doorbells and just their slowness to pick things up and send a notification. But I think with most models, if not all of them, some sort of reset like this will speed them up and get you a quicker response time for your notifications, so you'll know who's approaching quickly. If someone is going to be on your porch, coming to knock on your door, if they're coming to sell you something, you want to be able to hide quickly. So comment below if you've had any success making your video doorbells faster, if you've done something similar to what I did, or if you had some other way of making them work. So I would love to hear about it. We want to improve the system and make this a better product for all of us. I hope this video has been helpful today as I do videos like this and other similar topics of smart home and home. Subscribe if you want to see some more. So thanks for watching.